Nature operates within certain rules, and every organism has its place and defined principles to follow in order to survive. But what if there is a microorganism that defies these rules? Something that straddles the line between plants and animals while being neither. Today, I will tell you about Euglena, one of the most extraordinary organisms that seems to break the very principles governing life. With every detail of this story, the question, is this organism really breaking the rules of nature, will become even more fascinating. Euglena is an organism that challenges traditional biological classifications. Officially, it belongs to the kingdom Protista, but its abilities make it hard to define what it truly is. On one hand, it resembles plants, performing photosynthesis, but on the other, its movement and feeding habits are more characteristic of animals. Euglena is a mixtroph, meaning it can obtain energy in two ways: autotrophically, by producing energy through photosynthesis, and heterotrophically, by absorbing dissolved organic compounds. This extraordinary adaptability makes it a true survival expert. Take a closer look now at Euglena. Notice the tiny red spot on its body. That's the eye spot, or stigma. But don't be fooled, this isn't an eye in the traditional sense. Euglena cannot see as we do, but this eye spot acts as a light detector, helping it locate the best conditions for photosynthesis. It's a simple yet ingenious mechanism that allows Euglena to follow light without having eyes or a nervous system. It doesn't just bend the rules, it creates its own. Watch how it moves. Euglena has only one flagellum, which is unusual compared to other flagellates. Most organisms use one flagellum for movement and another for gathering food. At first glance, only a single flagellum is visible, actively propelling this organism through the water. However, there is also a second, reduced and non-functional flagellum hidden within the flagellar pocket, a subtle reminder of its evolutionary complexity. However, manages both tasks with just one. This allows it to glide gracefully while simultaneously drawing in dissolved organic compounds through its cell membrane. It's like having a multi-tool that performs several functions at once. Its adaptability doesn't end with its feeding strategies. Unlike plants, Euglena lacks a rigid cell wall. Instead, it has a pellicle, a flexible structure that provides shape and enables movement. Thanks to the pellicle, Euglena can squeeze through narrow spaces, change shape, and adapt to different environmental conditions. It's not just an organism, it's a marvel of biological engineering. Is Euglena truly breaking the rules of nature? Or is what we see as rule-breaking actually proof of the extraordinary creativity and diversity of evolution? Euglena doesn't follow simple rules, but instead takes advantage of every opportunity to survive. Photosynthesis, movement, feeding, all in one organism that continues to astonish us. What do you think? Is Euglena really breaking the rules of nature, or is it redefining how we understand life? Share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel to explore more fascinating microworlds, and check out our other videos.